Hello guys, so my name is Udit. So I will be presenting a new extension which is called Uddu LinguaShift, and this is basically used to change a particular website into your preferred language. So suppose your preferred language is Hindi, or you want to understand something into Hindi or any other language, you can select it from here. You can select full page and then translate. So it will what it will do, it will convert the whole page into Hindi, and after that we can restore into original as well. So it will restore it back to original. If you want to select it to French, then we can do it. So it is basically translating. So it has translated this whole particular page into French. So guys, so this is how it works, and I hope you will find great meaning and useful value in this particular extension. And there are several lot other language which we can use to uh, study, learn, into our native language, so that we can understand any content in a better manner. Thanks a lot. Thank you.